Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video we'll be working here on a Ford Focus MK3 generation 2012 to 2018 guys. And if your reverse lights do not work, we'll show you which fuse to replace. So let me guys introduce you to the channel. We'll have more than 200 videos on this car guys. Videos will be uploading all the time about this model, so please guys subscribe to the channel. Our mission is to provide free videos to you so you can learn how to fix your car and save you as much money as we can. So please guys, only give a subscribe and a like for all the work we do at the shop. So doesn't matter if you have a sedan or a hatchback, if your reverse lights do not work, okay, we'll show you which fuse to check. Of course, if just one of the reverse lights doesn't work, it's a bad bulb. If both of them do not work, it's most likely a bad fuse. And we need to come to the passenger side of the vehicle from the right side. As you can see, our glove box is removed, but you do not have to remove yours. The only reason we removed it is so we can get the camera in a better angle and show you all the fuses and we can reach them a little bit easier. But everything is doable without removing the glove box. If you want to see the video, it's on the channel. All the tools and parts, including the replacement fuses guys, will be listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. So, the only thing that you need to remove, you can see this cover. It has two plastic retainers. Press, pull down. Okay, that's it guys. And now you can locate your BCM module, body control module, and the fuses. The fuse that we need for reverse lights, it's fuse number 76. Now, next to every fuse in the top right corner there is a number, so that number is the number of the fuse. F76 10M fuse, this is for reverse lights. Okay, so let me just pull this one out quick. And we'll get a replacement one here from our box. Really good deal guys, check it out. Nothing sponsored here, everything is purchased by us. Okay, and we need to go ahead and install. So let me see how I need to use the other hand for that, because it's a little bit hard to reach, but everything is doable. Okay, so okay, perfect. Fuse number 76 replaced guys. This is for the reverse lights on your Ford Focus. If you guys have any questions or you have a specific problem that you don't know how to fix on your Ford Focus, drop a comment below the video, okay, in the comment section, and we're going to try our best to make a video for your problem so we can assist you and save you as much money as we can. Again guys, please subscribe. Many more videos will come and other vehicles will be on the channel. We're constantly adding new vehicles. So thank you for watching and see you. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.